Okay, children. In about the discussion of salts, already we discussed about our first salt, that is bleaching powder. What is the formula of bleaching powder? How to prepare the bleaching powder, and what are the uses of bleaching powder? We already discussed. Now we are going to our second salt, that is baking soda. And what is the formula of baking soda? NaHCO3. What is the chemical name of NaHCO3? It is called as sodium hydrocarbonate. Sodium hydrocarbonate. It is also called as sodium bicarbonate. So it is having two chemical names. Sodium hydrocarbonate, or also called as sodium bicarbonate even. And what is the formula? NaHCO3 is the formula. And how to prepare this NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate? How to prepare this baking soda or sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrocarbonate? When sodium chloride, NaCl is, NaCl, common salt or table salt. When this NaCl reacts with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. What are the compounds now? What are the reactants? Sodium chloride, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. When they react with each other, you will get ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride and baking soda. Ammonium chloride, what is the formula of ammonium chloride? NH4Cl. So, when sodium chloride is reacting with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, you are getting ammonium chloride and baking soda. Okay. Then what are the uses of this baking soda? This baking soda is used in bakeries to make the food soft and even spongy. What is happening here? This baking soda, I told you the formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. When this NaOH is kept in some food, when you are making a cake, if you keep this NaOH, this is baking soda, Nana. Baking powder is different. Baking soda plus some edible acid, like tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is edible acid. Okay, so it is an edible acid. When baking soda NaHCO3 is mixed with some tartaric acid, some edible acid, then you will get baking powder. That is baking powder. Baking powder is different from baking soda. Baking soda means NaHCO3. Along with that NaHCO3, you will be having some edible oil also in the baking powder. So when you are mixing the baking powder in cake preparation, what will happen? When you have mixed it in that and you kept the total substance on the stove to bake it, or in the oven to bake it, when heat is supplied, this NaHCO3 will split into Na2CO3, that is washing soda. See here, washing soda, and it will give you even carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this carbon dioxide, it is a gas. You know that carbon dioxide is a gas. This carbon dioxide gas will occupy in the space of the solids in the cake, in between the cake. Because of the gas, carbon dioxide, the food will become so soft and spongy. So, baking powder, see here, don't get confused. Baking soda formula is NaHCO3. Baking powder is when this baking soda is mixed with some edible acid like tartaric acid. Then you will get baking powder. That baking powder you are putting in cake preparation. When you are heating that baking powder, the baking soda will split into washing soda, carbon dioxide and water. That carbon dioxide will make the food spongy and fluffy. Okay. So baking soda is used in bakeries to make the cake soft, and it is also used in antacid. I already discussed with you people what is antacid. I told you one example of milk of magnesia, didn't I? So it is used in the baking soda is also, it is a mild base. So it is used in the preparation of antacid also. It is used in fire extinguishers. What is this fire extinguisher? You know that when fire accidents takes place, they will even in your school van also you will be having some red color cylinders. Those are the extinguishers which will put off the fire, which will stop the fire. So baking soda is also used as fire extinguisher to put off the fires. And baking soda is a mild antiseptic. What is this antiseptic? When you get hurts, what will happen? That area will become septic. Septic means some pus cells, yellow color liquid or yellow color fluid. It will, the bacteria will infect that area and they will septic that area. To remove that, it is used as, baking soda is used as antiseptic ointment. It is used in the antiseptic ointment also. Okay, so we are discussing about baking soda. What is baking soda, Nana? Baking soda is NaHCO3, sodium hydrocarbonate or sodium bicarbonate. How it is prepared? When sodium chloride is reacting with water and carbon dioxide, you will get ammonium chloride and baking soda. And what are the uses of this baking soda, children? This baking soda is used in making the cakes or any foods. If you make bhaji also, you will put some baking powder in that to make the food fluffy. It is used in the bakery industries, and it is also used as a fire extinguisher to put off the fire, and it is also used as antiseptic to remove the to kill the germs at the wounded area, and it is also used in the antacids. Okay, our third salt is, children, washing soda. Here at that while explaining baking soda, I told you when the baking soda is heated, you will get washing soda. Did I? That is the preparation here. What is the formula of washing soda? Na2CO3 and 10 hydrated, 10 water molecule. I will explain you about this water molecules. What is that in the next step. Okay. So what is washing soda? Na2CO3. And what are the, how to prepare washing soda? When baking soda is heated, you will get washing soda, water and carbon dioxide. Okay. So what are the uses of this washing soda? It is used in glass industry, soap industry. It is used in glass soap industries. Okay. And it is used as cleaning agent. I told you it is a washing soda to clean the substances. So it is used as cleaning agent. It is used to remove the permanent hardness. What is this permanent hardness? Generally, you know that salt water, you will say bore water and Manjira water, isn't it? So what is that bore water? How it will taste? It will taste some salty. That means the water is having so many minerals. What is hardness? Dissolved minerals in water. If water is having many dissolved minerals in that, it is called as hardness. So that hardness will spoil the taste of the water. Not only that, it will be difficult for the soap and detergent action. When you are using the bore water, you won't get foam if you use even soap. Wash your clothes with bore water, you won't get foam, proper foam. What you call in Telugu, nuraga. Okay, you won't get that foam. That means the water quality is degraded. So to remove that hardness, to remove those minerals from the water, if water is having more minerals, its taste also will change, and it won't give proper foam with the soap and detergent. So you have to remove that hardness. There are two types of hardness, permanent hardness and temporary hardness. Permanent hardness can be removed by using washing soda. Generally, the hardness will be by calcium and magnesium salts, Nana. Calcium nitrate, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride, or magnesium nitrate, magnesium sulfate, or magnesium chloride. So, calcium magnesium salts will contribute for the hardness.